Hey guys, it's Dina and I'm here with another video, and I've got my daughter in here. She's very quiet.
Hello.
She's very quiet. And this is an impromptu unboxing. I'm so excited. And I've got two packages here, and I will open this one first. Let's see. Price list in here. Yes. Okay. So I ordered the Beauty Bakerie flour, and this is a setting powder, and let's see, it is packaged just like flour would be packaged. Oh, that's cute. They even have a nutrition facts on the side. And I ordered this yellow powder. Let's see, and this was $24. They have it really wrapped up in here. I ordered the milk and honey palette, and here it is here. I don't want to bring it all the way up, but because it looks like at the edge of the pan it's a little cracked, but it's a highlighter palette. Well, let's see what the names are. Oh Honey, Queen Being, Spoiler Alert, and Be Sweet. And then my next package, I ordered the Beauty Bakerie Cake Mix Demi Matte Foundation. And I ordered, let's see if it's my color. I'm pretty sure I ordered number 23. And here is the foundation here. Hopefully it matches me. I will see. It took forever for me to get this package. I don't know why, but it did. And I thought they sent you, from what I saw in other people, they sent you one shade lighter or darker, but I didn't get that. So I don't know if that's with certain people that they do that or what. I thought it was supposed to be on your first order. Maybe I'll ask them. And then I ordered the Beauty Bakerie Cream and Cocoa palette, and here it is here, and this is the bronzer palette, and I like these colors. Deja Brew, Anti-Depresso, You're Grounded, and La Vida Mocha. I also ordered the baking oil that you're supposed to put on your face before you put the foundation on. Apparently these go hand in hand, so I went ahead and ordered it. It's a cute little container. And finally, I bought the Cake Face Concealer. And there it is there. And this one is your Brew Tifo. There was no price list on this packing, but I think that the bronzer palette was $38. The foundation was probably, maybe, let me look, $28. Yes, it was $28. The concealer was $24. And the oil was $28. Alright, that is all that I have for you. I just wanted to show you my Beauty Bakerie purchases. So I'm excited I finally have them now. And I can't wait to show you what they look like. Please like and or subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.